Hello friend, does anyone who interested in home appliances retail and wholesale business? Today I will introduce you an air conditioner manufacturer called Miss World. It's located in Zhejiang province. The company specializes in the development, production, and sales of household air conditioner, industrial mobile air conditioner, and air source heat pump products. Miss World has advanced technology, professional production equipment, and R&D team. The company attaches great importance to product quality control from raw material to production. The quality of copper pipe and condenser welding is very crucial to air conditioner, so we strive for perfection for each pipe's welding. Miss World adopts digital management for each production process and continuously improve product quality to meet modern people's needs for healthy and environmental lifestyle. Welcome to contact me if you are interested in air conditioner.